In this video we're gonna replace the door handle because it's nothing going on. It doesn't open the door on E46 BMW 330i 02 and later model. First we have to unscrew two screws on here under the wood panel. The wood panel comes off. It has clips, basically slides in. Be very careful when you remove this. One screw is under the window regulator, which I took off. Just take a screwdriver and work your way out. The other two are under the door. So let's remove that. Be very careful, it's very easy to lose them. Okay. The things that they don't tell you on the other video, you use a very specific tool like this. It's basically this kind of Next, removing the whole panel. Be very careful because the airbag might take you. And immediately I found the problem. can notice, what happened is that this part broke off that steel cable and no more active. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna probably tie something to that cable and make it work.